Hey, what's going on, my friend? It's Jason Foster, and hope you're doing good. Now, if you're watching this video right now, you're most likely looking for a passive profit pages review. You want to learn more about what it is, right? Maybe you saw this page out there, and someone told you that it's a good website where you can earn $1,000 instantly. Now, I'm going to give you a full in-depth review of this product so you can actually learn, and you're going to see everything that you should know, because a lot of people out there are telling people that they can make fast money with this website. And I want to actually go out there and let you know the truth about this, because what I don't like in the marketplace is that a lot of newbies are coming online each day, right? And they're getting unrealistic claims, and they're getting deceived because they're thinking that you can make money fast and easy online. Now, that is why I want to jump into this for you so you can actually learn. Now, if you have questions at all and you want to ask me, go to the comment section below here and leave your questions or comments, and I'll look out for it and I'll reply to you as well. And also, if you like the video, show me that you like it by actually clicking on the thumbs up button right down there. All right, now let's go into this, my friend. Now, first of all, with this website, as you can see, unrealistic claims on the website saying that you could make up to $1,000 in online commissions today, like right today. Now, I've been online since 2014. I started learning how to make money, and I basically came online. I saw a lot of systems like this, and it's very disappointing because no systems actually enables you to make this amount of money. You have to really put in some time, dedication, work, efforts, and put in also some capital into your business to grow the business. Okay. Now, this website right now, it's a Clickbank product, so that's a good thing. If you don't know what Clickbank is a marketplace right over here. This is a clickbank.com website, and it's a marketplace where marketers will come and they will actually promote products. So as you can see on this page right now, passive profit pages is one of the product listed on Clickbank. And me right now, as an affiliate marketer, I can come here and I can promote this product to you and tell you that you should buy it right away because it will help you. But I don't want to go out there and promote this because I found out a lot of bad things about this that I want to share with you so you can actually understand. All right. Now, how this works is that they ask for your name and your email address, and it costs $9 to start. Okay, but there's also some other costs that you should know about. I'm going to show you what they are. All right, and when you do that, you basically land on a page like this. If you actually were coming off the website, this is like a page that will show you that, hey, wait, you need to really come and make some money. Right, so this is basically the secure checkout page right over here right now. And so they also have a little bit of upsells on this page. They have basically a $27 bump. And as you can see here, this is unlimited access to a live weekly traffic training webinar. Okay, so it costs $18.95. All right, so this is something that they have there as an option if you want to actually get it. It's a training on how to get traffic to your pages. Okay. Now, let's just jump into exactly everything you want to know so you can make good decisions in the marketplace. And remember, my friend, if you have questions, leave them. And if you also like the video, go ahead and like it, all right? Now, we're going to go into passive profit pages review. Now, you've seen the video, most likely you've seen the video already, right? And, you may have seen this person over here saying that, they're making money with passive profits, right? So just so you understand, if you're brand new online, you just have to understand that there are a lot of fake testimonials going on. Okay, so you'll find people who create their products, like for example, passive profit pages. The person who created it actually hired someone to give them like testimonials. So when you go on the page over here and you're going to be watching the video, you're going to find people saying that they made money with the profit pages. But actually, the truth is that those are paid actors and also actresses, just kind of there to prep you to think that it's something real. Okay, so just so you understand, there's a website out there called Fiverr.com, and people go and outsource people to do whatever out there. I've used Fiverr myself to basically get people to create like banners for me and like content as well, you know, because I have websites online that I get people to write for me when I don't really have the time, right? So you'll find that that's what they're doing. They're getting people to create fake testimonials, and that is no good, right? Now let's go into the overview of what you're going to get if you decide to go into this program, right? And as I said, it's $9, and basically it's 12 minutes of information for the $9. I'm going to get into that. It's gonna be 4 steps actually, so I'm going to show them to you right now. Okay. Now the first step that they actually teach you, they teach you how to get a Clickbank link. Okay. Now this is very easy. There's a lot of videos on YouTube here about getting Clickbank links. You know, very, very simple. You go to Clickbank and you click on this promote, and then Clickbank will give you a link, and that's what they're basically teaching you. So it's nothing really secretive, or it's nothing really like, you know, great or anything like that. It's just simple how to create a link on Clickbank. All right. So that's step 1 that they're teaching you. Now in step 2, they're going to show you how to add links, and they're going to give you 5 pre-built pages. Okay, so they have some pages that they give to you. All right, so they're going to give you 5, and then you select one that you can use your links on. Okay, so that's what they're going to teach you in step 2, just to add the links on a particular page that you choose. Okay, so if it's, for example, the weight loss niche that you want to go into, if it's something you like, you know, they're going to show you how to add the links to the page. All right. Now, step 3 is basically they send you the page after 24 hours. So after you put the link on the page, after 24 hours, they're going to send that page to you so that you can have the page now for yourself to do whatever you want to do with it. Okay. Now, step 4 is where they're going to basically tell you to send traffic to the page so that people can potentially purchase products on the page that you're actually promoting. Okay, so it's going to be a done for you page with content already on it. It's a simple like WordPress page, if you know what I mean. So if you've been to a website, you know, it's going to be content with banners and some links. So if people were to click on those links and buy something through your link, you know, you will earn a commission that way. Okay, so that's what they're teaching you, basically 4 steps. Okay, but for that $9, that's what you actually get. So it's like 12 minutes of information. Okay. Now this is where the upsells will come in, because obviously with that money that you spend, right, with basically $9, right, that's not gonna give you everything when it comes to making money online. So, you know, on the first page you'll see you could make up to $1,000 in online commissions today. Obviously, with the $9 that you spend over a year to get access to these 4 steps, it's not going to enable you to earn $1,000 instantly today. Okay, so that's kind of a very deceiving tactic that I see with this website, Passive Profit Pages. Okay, now I'm going to go into all these upgrades, and sometimes you call these also upsells. So I want to tell you what they actually have there. Okay, so the first upgrade is that there's a done for you pages. So there's going to be more done for you pages in addition to those 5 that they will give you access to. And it also has some hosting on it. Okay, so hosting is like where you have your website and it's somewhere on the internet where your website is there securely. And you know, they basically charge $197 for that. Okay, now as I said before, I've been online since 2014, and I have hosted my websites on platforms, and I've never spent this amount of money to basically host a website. You know, you can spend $10 or $12 per year to actually host your website. So just understand that this $197, I would say it's not valuable. It's not worth that cost. Okay. Now for the upgrade number 2, they're going to have something they call a secret traffic, and most likely this is going to be solo ads traffic. Now, solo ads traffic is a traffic method where you pay someone to send traffic to your page. Okay, so the page that they give you, basically you're going to pay someone to like get traffic to the website, right? So it's a very low quality type of traffic, by the way, just so you understand, because these are traffic that people have their own email list, right? And then you're going to pay them to send out an email to their email list, and hopefully someone actually clicks on your affiliate link and purchase something. You know, from my experience, I see solo ads traffic as one of the lowest converting traffic online. The best traffic that I see online is free search engine optimization traffic that you get on, like you search something in Google and you find a particular article. That's kind of search engine optimization. And also here on YouTube as well, you know, if you type something into YouTube and you see those free videos, those are like people who actually learn how to do search engine optimization. Very powerful as well. And also, you know, Facebook ads as well is, I think, a better business, a better traffic method than the solo traffic, okay? But basically that's $196 for that part of the upgrade that they're actually selling to you, okay? Now, the upgrade number 3 is access to a Facebook community. And this is very surprising when I actually discovered this, because for any online business out there, okay, most of them will have a supporting community. And I've never have to pay money to actually be a part of a Facebook community. Now, I am a part of a lot of mastermind communities on Facebook, and I'm not paying to be a part of that. And basically, as you can see on the screen right now, they're actually asking you for $20 per month to get access to a Facebook community. And, you know, I wouldn't say that that's valuable, and, you know, I don't think that's worth it at all, okay? Now, upgrade number 4 is where they give you this program called John Crestani webinar. It's a super affiliate system webinar. So it's a free webinar. So they're going to give you a link to go there, and most likely it's an affiliate link. So at the end of the webinar, now, John Crestani is a very famous internet marketer, okay? You may have seen some of his ads on YouTube or on Facebook or somewhere. But basically, after the free webinar, he's going to try to sell you a product for $997. Okay, that's a super affiliate system. Okay, and that is how the people who created passive profit pages can earn a little more money if you were to actually buy the product through their affiliate links. Okay, so just understand that's what's going on right there. Okay. Now I want to go into like pros and cons for this, so you can actually learn, you know, see what it is, right? Now, from what I have seen out there, my friend, the positive, the pros basically is that since this is a Clickbank product, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. All right, so when you go on the page, you will see the Clickbank logo right here. And that's the good thing with Clickbank products. You do get a money-back guarantee, which is pretty good, you know. So I would say that is a positive when it comes to passive profit pages. And also, the next positive that I see basically is that the done for you pages, they can save you some time, right? Especially if you're a newbie online, you know, trying to make some money. Usually when you're online, you know, it takes some time to create pages, like those landing pages and pages in general, you know. So it is good that they actually have a done for you pages where you can actually have immediate content right away to go out there and potentially make a sale, okay? Now, the next positive that I see is they're giving you a little introduction to affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, from what I have seen, it's the best business model. So I like the fact that they are teaching you a little bit about affiliate marketing, although they don't go really in depth into the business model, but it's a very good business model. This is how I earn a full-time income from my home. So I like that they actually give you a little bit of introduction, all right? Now, the cons that you must know about when it comes to passive profit pages is that the claims on the first page is very unreal, okay? As you can see, $1,000 instantly today, it's just not right. I don't want newbies coming online thinking that when you come online, you're going to make $1,000 very fast. You know, it's very unrealistic, and I don't like that at all. That's a big, big no-no for me. So that's why I put that as one of the cons, okay? Now, also, another con is that there's no free traffic methods taught inside of this, okay? So they're just teaching you how to pay for solo ads, which is online. It's the lowest quality traffic source out there, okay? So free traffic methods that I actually love, that, you know, I do every day, you know, search engine optimization. This is something that if they add it inside of the training, that would be good for especially newbies who may not have a lot of money to, you know, get started with their business, okay? Another big con is the fake testimonials by the paid actors that I showed you, okay? That's really, really bad that they're doing that. And, you know, when it comes to any product online, if a product vendor is not actually showing you real people making real money from the training, it's a big red flag, okay? Just understand that, okay? Now, what I also don't like is that there's no email list building strategies that they're teaching you, okay? Now, maybe you're new again and you don't even know how important email list building is. Now, when you have an email list, you can always send different products and offers to people, and then when they buy through your affiliate links, you can make some money, okay? So they didn't do anything about email list building, which is, you know, for newbies, this is critical. You need to learn more about email list building so that you can actually create your online asset, okay? That is very, very important, all right? Now, basically, that's what it is. Overall, I would say when it comes to this passive profit pages, you know, I would say this is like maybe a 1 or 2 star, you know, because, you know, I wouldn't say it's a scam though, because you do get some training, you do get some done for you pages, all right, and all of that. But, you know, it's a low quality product. I just have to be very straightforward with you guys out there, because you guys are looking for real ways, real strategic and real long-term ways to make money online. And you want to learn it the real way, right? You don't want to be falling for any get rich quick schemes like this. You know, I just don't like these. And newbies who are coming online, maybe you're new yourself and you're thinking that making $1,000 is easy. Now, the reality is that when you're trying to make money online and you're just getting started, you're not going to be making any money at the beginning, okay? You have to start and you have to learn first. So you have to learn how to do it properly from real mentors, from a good community, ethical people with integrity. That's what you want to do. You want to learn from the right people. And, you know, I was fortunate to actually find the right people online that actually taught me the right ways to build my affiliate marketing business. And that is how I'm able to do this full time. And I'm very grateful for that. All right. Now, if you want to learn the same exact strategies that I use, you can learn, right? You just have to make sure you have a right mentality, right, to learn this process. Just understand that making money online, it requires you to get plugged into the right system, and you have to have time, patience. You have to also have some money to purchase like tools and to get access to real good training, quality training that shows you step by step how the process actually works. All right, so that's what I want to help you with if that's something you're also interested in. All right, I'm going to put a link to my #1 training when it comes to affiliate marketing, and I'm going to put it in the description of this video, so you can look for that. Click on it, go over to my webpage, all right, and you know, get started. You know, get started in the right way, because you don't want to be falling for any unrealistic claims, any get rich quick schemes. All right, you want to just be lined up with the right people and learning the right way to do affiliate marketing, my friend. Now, again, my name is Jason Foster, right? If you have questions, go to the comment section, leave your questions or comments. I'll be happy to help you out personally. You can send me email as well at jason@smarthumanblogger.com. And, you know, I look out for my emails each day, and I also provide you with personal help so you guys can, you know, move on to the right path to success online. All right, so that's what I do. So hopefully you love the video, and, you know, show me that you love it by actually clicking on the thumbs up button again. And thank you so much for taking your time. See you in the next video, all right?